open it all the way and let it fill up, and then we can adjust the drip after that.
Excellent. Look at that.
It's time to upgrade our water drip system. While the Shasta bottle plant spike system worked fine, it looked a little improvised. Since irrigation setups already use controlled dripping, it made sense to borrow from that again, but this time we built something a little more polished. Our idea is very simple. We'll start with a 2-gallon bucket to store water and attach a spigot with a bulkhead fitting to the bottom. Next, we'll add a drip adapter to reduce the size and connect it to the 1/4-inch tubing. From there, we run the tubing to an adjustable valve, which lets us control the drip rate of the water. Ryan is using a 1-inch drill bit to make a hole for the bulkhead, and if you want to try this for yourself, we put the links for what we're using in the description of this video.
I'm gonna destroy this bucket. That's fine. Get this guy in here. There we go. There.
The adapter conveniently came with a mesh filter to help keep debris out of the line, and Teflon tape to seal up the threads so it doesn't leak.
There we go. What do we got?
Once we place this second gasket and tighten the nut, the spigot installation is complete.
I'm just gonna give it a little twist, snug it up.
We're going to be hanging this above the work table, and until we figure out something more permanent, I'm just going to use some cotton rope to create a stable hanging point. We're using a couple of carabiners, so it's easy to take the bucket down if needed. The last thing we have to do is set up the tubing.
You're right, we don't know how much we need yet, so we just need something to pull out like that. We gotta put it through this first. Push it on. Put it down.
After attaching the tubing to the adapter, Ryan will hang the bucket, and I'm going to secure the tubing to this old microphone arm so I can move the drip where I need it.
That's what I was looking.
A trim of the tube, and now we can push our little valve in, which I'll be securing with a zip tie.
Yep, pull it tight now. There you go.
This simple system runs on gravity. We'll leave the spigot open to keep the tubing pressurized. Once the valve is open, water will flow, and you'll be able to adjust the drip rate by further opening or closing the valve. Okay, well, let's put some water in this bucket and see how she flows.
Oh, you're hitting the hole.
The lid will keep the water clean, and here we go. Open the spigot, open the valve, and adjust the flow. It works perfectly.
Look at the bubbles. Look at the bubbles running down.
It's flowing to the back of the table and into a bucket, and we have encouraged this by tilting the table with kitchen coasters and creating a funnel with weather stripping. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Let us know what you think about this water drip system in the comments, and please, subscribe to our channel.